Has the former cable TV actress Meghan Markle now been caught in the act? Hi, morning, Neil Sean here in the heart of London. Thank you as ever for joining me today. Hope you're keeping well. We're still inside, the weather's still bad, but of course we like to bring you all the latest breaking royal news. All those that are asking, of course, Neil, where is your poppy? Well, let me explain. What I've done is I've put it on the side of my jacket here so you can see my typing. I bought one of those, of course, to help that particular charity. And I don't know about you, but I've got so many poppies that I've got them on coats, jackets, all that sort of stuff. But at least with this one, you can see that I'm definitely wearing one. And as you all know, I very much support all of those forces attached to that particular event. Back as ever though to your breaking royal story of the day. Now, you may have seen this particular news, and it's interesting in itself because it does appear that, of course, the former royal, now known as Meghan Markle, activist, actress, producer, charity foundation boss, giving people 5 months holiday a year. What a place to work, eh? By the time those people who come back, you'd think, oh, are you? Can't remember. Did they employ you? What ludicrous terms these people live under, and what happens to reality for the rest of us that have to go out to work every day with a cold, let me tell you. But what's interesting now is that this really is taking a turn for the worst for Meghan. This is her problem, of course, now with the Mail on Sunday and the Associated Newspaper Group. What has really been revealed is the fact that their assistant at the time is now claiming that she would have known that this possible letter that she wrote, which was put out in front of the Mail on Sunday as a headline banner story, could in fact now be used in public. One has to ask, of course, who really does advise Meghan and Harry? Because this is very much a clear-cut case. Whoever puts that particular information forward, and it is there detailed in text, then basically someone has advised them against or for it. Also, it's interesting to note that, when we always have to say here on the show, allegedly, that it is now being revealed that she did help with, of course, that book. We won't give it a plug. Tedious bore of a book, of course, trying to get her story out with alleged journalists and authors, right? What I find strange about this particular sort of situation is, why would they then want to go and deny that? You know, they do seem to have made some rather strange sort of moves and then obviously pedaled backwards and thought, oh no, that's not really a clever move. But what we know, of course, is that Prince Harry has always been protected by the senior press office, you know, inside Buckingham Palace, Kensington Palace, that sort of stuff. He really would have no knowledge on how the media situation operates. And of course, Meghan herself would have had some kind of PR and personal assistant, that type of thing. But this is on a whole different level. I do actually feel slightly sorry for them both in some respects, because they've clearly been advised to go down this particular path. It's not, in my opinion, working out well for them, and moving forward can only damage their brand, their names, if you like. But of course, they made that decision to go ahead into litigation with the Mail on Sunday and the Daily Mail Group. As this court case progresses on further, rest assured there's going to be more revelations that will prove rather unsavoury, I believe, for the former royals. But as ever, let me know what you think in the comments below. Neil Sean in the heart of London.